So I was coming back from Blackpool and the silencer muffler fell off the car and turned it into, it sounded like a motor car, you know, stuff like that. So because it's called money saving DIY, we are going to fix it for around £10. So I've retapped and inserted some new bolts at the back end here. I've moved it over a bit, 6mm hole and an 8mm thread, so 8mm bolts. Let's get to the business end. Now these arse are prone to breaking right near the silencer. As you can see, there's not much to bond to tie the two pieces together, as if it went somewhere around there you can get a sleeve that goes over, but I've got an idea, and the idea costs £5. So what we're going to be using is metal putty, steel putty rapid, which is about £3.60. This needs to be kneaded. There's a grey core, a dark grey core inside, and it's a lighter grey on the outside. So we're going to take it off in 4 segments and do it in quarters and apply it. So I'll do the mixing, apply it and show you the final result. So as you can see, it's like blue tack. If it's too hard, you want to warm it up a bit at room temperature. Don't use it while it's cold because it's really hard to mix it. If you don't mix it right, it won't work right. So because I've put it on quite thick, it's taken a while to cure, nothing like 2 minutes. That must be when it's really thin and the temperature is quite cold. So I've knocked up a drying unit, which was already in the house, so that I could buy it, but just say that up a minute. Yeah, it's solid in most places. I've had the air dryer on that side as well, so I'll keep that going on that side for a bit and we'll go to stage 2. So that's gone solid. That it did take a while. It depends how thick you apply it. It did go off quick around the edges. I did get the hair dryer on it for about 10 minutes and then just left it. It's about 6 hours later and it's solid. It was holding without this strap, but what I've done, I've got some round band and some self tappers, and all it's doing is, because of the weight of this here and the supports there, there'd be a lot of pressure because of the weight on this joint, and that's why it's gone there. So I've just put another brace in. It's not lifting it, it's just cradling it, taking the weight off that joint. So what I'm going to do next is, if I could grab it, it doesn't actually need it. But I'm going to put some aluminium tape round, just to finish the job off. If it don't rain, it pours. It's been like this all day, on off. So moment of truth. That's a massive improvement, because it's just a quick fix that I know. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's just to get it on the road, and I will keep updated with how long it lasted, and probably save about 150 quid. Tenner. If you've got a bit of about you in that and you just get the stuff, and it's straightforward. It's actually straightforward. Alright. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and take care. Okay.